Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do bird watching in Heartopia. So bird watching is officially the most relaxing way to level up your nature skill in Heartopia. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first, you just need to open your toolbox and then you can equip the tools, the scanner, and after that you can find the hotspots. You can just explore and travel to the space where there are lots of birds, or just go like this. I think I'm going to find, so just explore until you spot some birds. I don't see. Okay, I see one up here. And after that, you can just equip your scanner or your binoculars in here and make sure that the okay, it's too far, so I'm going to, okay, this is the Eurasian bullfinch. So what you need to do is just click on the shutter to catch the bird, and you can see that my bird watching proficiency is increasing. So that's all for me. That's how you can do bird watching in Heartopia. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.